to the CAG report. The truth that AAP government sought to bury for the longest time is out now. BJP government in Delhi has tabled the CAG report that was allegedly pending for 278 days. And the shocking revelation is now in black and white, that Delhi suffered losses of over 2,000 crores due to the 2021-2022 excise policy. The CAG report on liquor policy says that these losses were caused just in the 11 months that this policy was in place before being scrapped. The reasons cited are weak policy framework, deficient implementation and rules being violated. Let's in fact break down the details for you of the losses that the state suffered. 27 crore loss. Why? Because of incorrect collection of security deposit. Let's move on. 144 crore loss. The reason? Waiver of license fees. There were other losses as well of 890 crore. Why? The reason is no retender of surrendered retail licenses. Then there was a loss of 941 crore rupees. The reason? Exemptions that were given to zonal licensees. So these losses amount to, the total is 2,002 crores. Above 2,000 was the total loss, revenue loss for the state because of the policy that was in place for just 11 months. Let's now listen in to how the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders are responding to this.
मैं आपकी अनुमति से राष्ट्रीय राजधानी क्षेत्र दिल्ली सरकार से संबंधित भारत के नियंत्रक एवं महालेखा परीक्षक का दिल्ली में शराब के विनियम और आपूर्ति पर निष्पादन लेखा परीक्षा प्रतिवेदन वर्ष 2024 का प्रतिवेदन संख्या नंबर 1 की प्रतियां सदन पटल पर प्रस्तुत करती हूं।
मैं इस बात से बहुत पीड़ित हूं कि सीएजी रिपोर्ट को दबा दिया गया और पिछली सरकार ने इस रिपोर्ट को सदन में प्रस्तुत न करके संवैधानिक प्रावधानों का जानबूझकर उल्लंघन किया। आज सीएजी रिपोर्ट को सदन पटल पर प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है क्योंकि ये मामला बहुत गंभीर मामला है। सीएजी की रिपोर्ट को दबाना एक तरह का क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस है मेरी नजर में।
Criminal offense. That's what the speaker said and the other BJP leaders as well. Let's listen into the other reactions that we are getting on the CAG report that has been tabled.
See, they have already been avoiding this CAG report, as already they were the people who were to place this, because it is not the time was before that the CAG report should have been placed before the House. It was not done. Definitely there must be something which they want to avoid, and today also they have created this ruckus, I think only to be out of the House so that they do not face whatever there is in the CAG report.
क्योंकि अभी सीएजी रिपोर्ट भी उजागर होने वाली है और दिल्ली के विकास का, विकसित दिल्ली का अभी पूरा का पूरा खाका एलजी साहब ने अपने एड्रेस में रखा, तो वो उसको दिल्ली के विकास में भी इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है।
आपको लग रहा है कि सर कैग रिपोर्ट आ रही है, आपने कहा कि एक तरह से उस रिपोर्ट से पहले ये प्रोटेस्ट?
बिल्कुल मुझे लगता है, और ये दिल्ली को विकसित होते हुए नहीं देखना चाहते, इसीलिए उन्होंने सुना ही नहीं कि दिल्ली में कैसे शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, यातायात में डेवलपमेंट होने वाला अगले 5 साल में, वो जानना ही नहीं चाहते, वो सिर्फ वोट पॉलिटिक्स करना चाहते हैं।
Joining us in the broadcast with more details, so the BJP government led by Rekha Gupta fulfilling its promises, and this is just one of the 14 CAG reports that has been tabled, which has led to a massive political showdown. Isha.
Right, Swati. So the CAG report has been tabled by the BJP-led BJP-led government today. Rekha Gupta, the Chief Minister, tabled it. In fact, there was a lot of ruckus that took place in the House before the report was tabled. In fact, Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, including Atishi and Gopal Rai, were expelled from the House, stating that the CAG report is, they were alleging that the CAG report is just a means for the BJP. In fact, we also spoke to an MLA of the Aam Aadmi Party, and he said that there is no need for the CAG reports to be put out in parts, and the BJP government is only doing this for the mere reason of wanting to make headlines for several days. However, the BJP has once again, time and again, reiterated that the Aam Aadmi Party's regime was filled with corruption, and there were several issues that had propped up, and the CAG report was not tabled for several years, Swati, and that is what the BJP has been attacking the Aam Aadmi Party Party for, that if you had nothing to hide, if there was no corruption in your regime, why was the CAG reports not tabled for the last few years? And today, even before the CAG report could be tabled, the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs were suspended because they were sloganeering against allegedly the fact that the pictures of B.R. Ambedkar were removed from the rooms of Rekha Gupta and other cabinet ministers, which of course we have also fact-checked and seen that an event like this has not taken place. Photos may have reshuffled, but none have been removed so far. But definitely a lot of drama erupting in the Vidhan Sabha. For 2 days, the Vidhan Sabha has also been 2 more days have been added for the session, and in the coming few days, we're expecting that more CAG reports will be coming out, because this is just one Swati. There are several other parts of the report that will be coming up.
All right, Isha. Thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. For the moment, we're slipping into a very short break. Lot more lineup on the other side. Stay on with us.